The Uni token is crashing. Is there another Uniswap airdrop coming in the near future? And Bitcoin made the second highest monthly close in history. What should we expect from Bitcoin in the near future? And will the Uni token rebound? All that and more in this video. What up, homies? It's the Crypto Homie back at you with one of those crypto videos. And before we dive into it, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So let's dive right into it. Currently, Bitcoin on the daily sitting at $13,708, but let's snap back to that nice good old monthly candle. As you can see, we had the second highest close in the history for Bitcoin. I mean, this right here is, if you're not bullish, I don't know what is bullish, because this is super bullish. We closed above 12.5, which we wanted to close above. I mean, more specifically, 11.7 we wanted to get above. But I mean, this breaking at like 13.8 is amazing. Oh, it was almost the first in history. It was almost the highest in history. Almost. We're like almost there. So far for the month, we're slightly down, a little red. But hey, I mean, we literally have 29 days left in this month. So that's very short-term price action. What should we expect next? Only time will tell. There is some evidence that we're going to have a slight pullback. There's minor capitulation, which I'll get into in a different video. But like for right now, I mean, things are looking good. As long as we can stay above 12.5, I'm definitely major bullish. I mean, over this next 12 months, I think we're going to have some major price action. It's going to just blow people's minds. So stay tuned for that. And we always want to check on the weekly too, see what's going on there. I mean, once again, everything's looking really great. Hopefully we could, it'd be cool to see in the next week or two, see Bitcoin close above $14,000 on the weekly. And then obviously close November with the monthly candle above 14K. That would be great to see, because here we go, 20K. Here we're going to the moon, homies. We're going to the moon. So, what this video is all about, some good old Bitcoin and good old Uniswap. Let's pull Uniswap back on the daily. So Uniswap's crashing. Obviously, you guys can see right here, just going down. The trend is your friend until the end. And well, we haven't found the end yet of the trend, which is disappointing. But at the end of the day, version 3 is on its way. I mean, Uniswap it's on its way. They're working on things, and when that finally happens, which there's no definite date right now, things are gonna have massive moves in my personal opinion. But my thing right now, I'm a little concerned. We had that analyst a couple weeks ago say that we're going to see a sub $2 uni. And well, right now, I mean, at the time, you might be like, oh, he's crazy. I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, come on, homie. You think that's really going to happen? Well, guess what? It's looking like it might happen, because we broke the $2.50 support area, and we broke it pretty hard. Right now, we're just smacking down. Let's actually go back and pull up the 4-hour. Look at this. It's not looking good. We broke out with the big candle. Not good. We got some buy pressure with these wicks, but then we broke it again. So things just are not looking too good. We're holding $2.24. It looks like right now at the time of the recording, with a low of around $2.20. So we got to hang in there. I would not, I mean, we literally, there is really no support, because we never had price history this low before. I mean, one could argue right now we're at support, because we did test the wick right here at $2.20. But at the end of the day, there's not much price action there. It can easily break it. It's very micro. It's a micro support area. So right now, it doesn't really matter. And keep in mind, I mean, people were airdropped 400 free uni. So those are going to be the people that are going to be feel free to dump and just sell their stuff, even at low prices of $2.20, simply because it was free. I mean, if you bought back in up at $5, $8, I mean, are you selling now for the loss? I mean, if you bought at $5, you're not more than 50%, loss. I mean, if you bought at $8, I mean, ooh, it's just terrible. So what's going on there? It's definitely not looking good in the short term. I mean, all DeFi is looking like it's not looking too good. But this is a great opportunity, in my personal opinion, not financial advice, for some major gains to be made over the next 12 months by buying possibly now. I mean, it could go lower. Obviously, nobody knows for sure. I actually expect it to go a little bit lower. But I mean, at the end of the day, the market decides what it's going to do. It doesn't matter about my opinion. It doesn't matter about your opinion. It doesn't matter about their opinion. It just does. So on to some more Uniswap news. By Cointelegraph from October 30th, it says Uniswap moves closer to a new 5 million Uni airdrop. A new airdrop? Well, it's not that exciting actually. Like when you dive into it. It says the Uniswap community is voting on its second ever governance proposal to distribute 5 million governance tokens to users who interacted with the DEX via a third-party platform. So basically, if you utilize Uni on my Ether wallet, Argent, Dharma, DeFi Saver, Nuo, Edeo, this word, that word, this one, and rebalance, guess what? And you're part of the 12,619 wallet addresses, they're voting on to giving you 400 free Uni. but the first governance vote went to a fail. So is this going to go through? Well, apparently, it was coming up on October 31st, which today is November 1st, 2020, so it's already done. And just a quote from them says the phase determination was made based on how easy it is to programmatically hook a trading bot into them, as this is a proxy for what portion of these corkets risk representing multiple addresses per end user. So there is a little bit of drama. I don't want to get into the drama. All I'm saying is that they're voting to possibly give out some more free Uni tokens. And well, my personal humble opinion about that is not good news for Uni hodlers. You're gonna get more free ones out like right now. I mean, are people gonna dump those? I would be concerned. If you have a large portion in Uni, I would definitely be concerned for this. Yeah, it's great for the users that are getting free Uni tokens, and I know in the future more free Uni tokens are going to drop, but right now would not be a great time for that to happen, because things are not looking too good. So what do you guys think about Uniswap? Are you guys excited for this? Are you part of that 12,000 addresses that might get some more free Uni? Because, I mean, that's obviously great, but for those hodlers that bought it at $5 to wait for it to bounce back, it's not looking too good. Not looking too good. Just be patient. It might be a great buy right now. Might not. We may see a sub $2 Uni. Who knows? Only time will tell. But I mean, what's extremely bullish is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making some major moves. We closed the monthly at like 12.7, 12.8, the second highest monthly close in history. That's what I like to talk about. At the end of the day, though, these altcoins are great, but if you don't have a large position in Bitcoin, what are you doing? What are you doing? If you disagree, agree with me, let me know down in the comments below. It's always nice hearing a different perspective. And just a friendly reminder, I saw Sunny Degree tweet this out. I guess someone on YouTube said crypto light. I told my friend to buy Bitcoin at 5K. He wanted to wait for 3K. I told him to buy at 7K. He wanted to wait for 4K. I've told him to buy at 9K. He wanted to buy at 6K. I told him to buy at 10K. He wanted to wait for 5K. I told him to buy at 11K. He wanted to wait for 8K. You see the trend? Soon I will tell him to buy at 50K, and he will want to wait at 30K. Homie, so I just retweeted, do one thing, ... Just buy Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, you always want to wait for that better deal. You always want to wait for the better price, it's on sale, it's on a discount. Guess what? Bitcoin, it's the market. It does what it wants. It doesn't care about anybody's opinion. And it's going to make moves. I mean, I know personally when we were down at 3K, I was waiting for 15. Guess what? 1,500 never happened, okay? I mean, don't get me wrong, I did buy some at 3K, but I had a large position ready to go in at 1,500, and it never happened. Guess what? Just buy now. Dollar cost average. I've said this over and over again on this channel. If you got this far, homie, make sure you smash that like that thumbs button. But I mean, dollar cost averaging is just it works. You research it. I've showed it on this channel before. Dollar cost averaging just works. If you do that, you should be fine. Not financial advice, just my personal strategy. So do you know somebody that's you say to buy 10K, they're like, oh, I'll wait for it to go on sale. I'll wait till it go down, and it never goes down. And then they don't buy, or it does. It's a nice wick, but they never had an opportunity to buy. I mean, have you fell victim to that? I know I've definitely done this, and now I just dollar cost average, and guess what? If it's up high, oh well. If it's down low, oh well. I'm still buying some more good old Bitcoin. Stack those Satoshis. Alrighty, homies, so what do you guys think about Uniswap? Bitcoin making some highs. Almost had a record for the monthly close. When we did have the second highest, that's still great news. Uniswap, are you part of that second airdrop for those 12,000 addresses? Let me know down in the comments below. And I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day, morning, afternoon, wherever you guys are from. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for more content, because the Crypto Homie is signing out.